that they will be putting this group of people, this army regiment, dito sa, I think, sa mga maliliit na isla na malapit sa Strait of Hormuz to start securing yung Strait of Hormuz. And they were saying that this would intensify yung security doon. Ang nagiging issue lang doon, tulad nung sinabi nyo rin, is the connection behind having troops on the ground. Kasi
Yeah,
'pag nagsimula 'yan, 'di ba naman hindi maatake yung mga 'yan, 'di ba? Eh, usually
yeah,
'pag
yeah.
Amerika, makanti mo lang ng paa o kaya daliri ng soldier.
Tsaka
Yun nga,
seryoso
eh.
'no, ganito mangyayari.
Pero Prof, I think, this is a matter, I think, itong giyera na 'to, this is a big issue about time. Kasi sinabi niyo kanina, maybe President Trump is buying time to put people
Yeah,
on the ground. Pero ang kinakatakot ko po dito, ganito, what if magkaroon ng suicide mission na if they know na parang mawawala na sila sa mundo, for instance, ang gagawin nilang hostage yung mga tao na sumusunod sa kanila, yung mga sympathizers nila, dun nila ima-massacre.